Just out of real curiosity. Oh! This magnetic gun mount off of Amazon. Hopefully it's straightforward. Okay, it came in a 2-pack. Here's what it looks like on Amazon. For truck, car, wall, vault, desk. Some people do like it sideways. It holds up to 50 pounds. People even did it like that. That's interesting. Okay, this about to be me. Gun safe. That makes sense. Oh, that's strong. Ooh, yeah, that's really strong. Okay, get them apart now. I'm gonna have to pry them apart. It's not working. Okay, so it also has this, which I guess is sticky. It has these in case you want to screw. Why would I put them together? Why would I put them together? It says it can hold up to 50 pounds. That has to be a very strong magnet. Why would I put these together? Okay, oh, yes, okay. I'm putting these far away from each other. Okay, like, let me see how this works with the gun. Just out of real curiosity. Oh! Bruh. Dog. Okay. All right. Okay. I am very confident that I will swerve and bend the corner and this firearm is not going to go anywhere because this magnet is strong as hell. It's strong as hell. Okay. And we have screws. I am going to use one of these in my car. First review. Use them for my Glock. Very strong. Almost too strong. Requires significant force to remove. This is a very strong magnet. I'm feeling very confident about that. I'm not gonna lie. Somebody already drilled 2 holes in this car. What this car used? Somebody already drilled 2 holes. So, like, at that point, I think I can drill 2 more. And I'll never even realize that. Because who the hell be looking all the way down there? But I think that's a good spot. I'm gonna get my drill. Figure out the drill bits. And let's do this. Let's do it. As a woman, I literally have a a tool bag. I have the most random things in here, but you know, I can inflate a tire, I can charge up a car, I can drywall patch a home, you know, the most random stuff. I can break glass, got a little drill, you know, I got everything I would need. There's different size screws. So there's the longer ones. There's shorter ones. Shoot. Ain't gonna be no ones if I'm dropping them. Oh yeah. Yeah. I like that. I like that a lot. I feel pretty good about that. I felt pretty good about that. Okay, that just moved damn near the whole panel though. Like, these are screwed in good. I'm gonna screw them in a little bit tighter, but you just gonna have to be forceful. You can't play with it, that's for sure. But that's a good grip. That fan is different for sure, but I feel good about the Glock. I mean, even that, I don't think the Glock was doing all this. Let me see. It just has to be the makeup of the gun. Yeah. Bruh. Oh, hell no. It's pulling the whole panel off. I just gotta be strategic about how I take it off. Okay. I'm not really a fan of that. We're just gonna stick with this. I feel pretty good about that. I feel like that's not going anywhere. Of course, when I don't have flash on. So, when I don't have flash on, all you really see is my sights. With no lights on, it's very easy for me to just, yeah, I think I like that. I do like that. Okay, I'm feeling that. I think I'm gonna tighten the screws a bit more, and we're good. I've been really satisfied with this thing. It's probably been a little bit over a week now. Yeah. Now you can see I have a, this is new. This was not here before. I have a bass knob because I finally got my speakers and amp hooked up. But yeah, I'm satisfied. It doesn't move. It's you know, it holds tight. I like it.